everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Sephora favorites, Give Me Some More Lip. If you do want to see a review and swatches, please keep watching. Here's a closer look on what the packaging looks like. You get 8 lip products. You can tear it and you can share it with a friend, or you can just keep the entire kit. In the kit you do get 2 full-size lip products. You get a lip gloss and then a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. Let's go ahead and open this up. Here is what the back looks like. This tells you about each product and then some of the ingredients. Just cut the tapes here at the top. So let's open. Slide this on out to see what it looks like. We have the lipsticks. I'm just gonna slide the lip balms out as well. Pretty packaging. Here's a side-by-side on what everything looks like. So let's go ahead and start with the lip balms first. The first product is by Fresh. This is their Sugar Rosé Tinted Lip Treatment. It does have sunscreen. It has an SPF of 15. So you're just gonna twist it up. And here's what the lip treatment looks like. It does smell like roses. Let's go ahead and swatch this. Here's what the lip treatment looks like. It does have a little bit of that rosy tint to it. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like applied on the lips. Since my lips are naturally dark and pigmented, this is not going to show up, but I do like how it does feel on the lips. It does feel very moisturizing. The full size does retail for $24, and it does say here on the Sephora website, a cult favorite hydrating and smoothing lip balm that offers clear, sheer, or effortless color with lasting moisture and essential sun protection. SPF 15. It also does state here skincare concerns, dryness, dullness, uneven texture. The original award-winning Sugar Lip Treatment lets you easily customize your look. Swipe once for a hint of hue, more for a buildable color. These bestsellers are infused with nourishing oils and moisture-preserving sugar to deliver non-stop hydration plus sunscreen. So far, I really do like this lip balm. Let's move on to the next lip product. The next product is by Milk Makeup. Here we have another lip balm. This one is called the Kush Lip Balm. What an interesting name. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, it's green. Let's swatch it to see if there's any green. No, it's a clear lip balm. The shade for this lip balm is called Green Dragon. It smells really good, and you do get 1.5 grams or 0.05 ounces. Full size does retail for $16 on Sephora and milk.com. It does say here a soothing balm to hydrate lips with hemp-derived cannabis seed oil. Very interesting. I've never tried anything like that. It says it's conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil soothes and hydrate lips. Shea, cocoa, and mango butters coat and absorb to soften lips and even the look of texture. Antioxidant-rich jojoba oil and olive oils calm redness. Sage extract and peppermint oil combine for a subtle, natural flavor. The balm goes on green, but it blends in clear. How interesting. Let's go ahead and apply this on the lips. I really do love the peppermint smell. It does feel very hydrating on my lips and it sits very comfortably. This would be my go-to chapstick. Before we do check out the next lip product, I do want to share with you guys on my makeup wipe. I did remove that Milk Makeup Kush Lip Balm. It did turn green on the makeup wipe. It is so interesting. The next lip product is by Incredible. Here we have those roll-on glosses. Get a full size of this lip gloss. You get 7 millimeters or 0.246 ounces. This is in the shade Choose Your Happy. It retails for $10 at Sephora, and it does say here it's an original rollerball lip gloss in 3 irresistible tints, enriched and scented with natural actives for an extreme wet look and luscious lips. Roller Baby is the ultimate pocket rollerball gloss for all-day shine, packed with natural actives to nourish and hydrate lips. The rollerball gloss is designed to glide over your lips seamlessly to create an enviable wet look with mirror-like shine. Let's go ahead and open this up. This one is the subtle lavender shade. Ooh, how cute is this rollerball gloss? This definitely reminds me of my childhood. Back in the 90s, I used to collect lip glosses. Here's what the lip gloss looks like. It's supposed to be this wet look. I'm not getting that high shine as stated. This looks like an average everyday clear gloss. I tried to keep swatching the lip gloss. Doesn't seem like anything is coming out from it. And I feel like I'm using quite a lot of the gloss too. I'm not getting any of that subtle lavender scent either, as it did state. This is probably a dud that I got, or maybe that's just how it is. This lip gloss I'm not a huge fan of. This retails for $10 if you do want to purchase the full size. Let's move on to the next lip product. The next lip product is by Laneige. This is their Lip Sleeping Mask. Here's what the packaging looks like. This definitely looks like a 100-point reward. Here's what the inside looks like. Let's swatch this. Ooh, it feels very nice. It is clear. I'm just going to take a little bit of this lip sleeping mask and apply it to my lips. Ooh, this smells like watermelon. It smells really good. I don't like little pots like this because you do have to dig in your finger every time, or you can use like a small Q-tip or something like that. And I did also forget to swatch this on my arm, so let me go ahead and do that. Let's swatch it here. It does smell very good. A clear lip balm. There are some directions here on the top of the lid. It does say apply generously and leave on overnight. Gently wipe off remains next morning. I will definitely be using this lip mask tonight. Let me see what it does say on the Sephora website about this. This one is the original formula. They do have two different colors. They have vanilla and apple lime. It does say here a leave-on lip mask that soothes and moisturizes for smoother, more supple lips overnight. Lip Sleeping Mask has a softening balm texture that closely adheres to lips for quick absorption. Enriched with vitamin C and antioxidants, its berry mix complex offers a nutritiously sweet and fragrant blend of raspberry, strawberry, cranberry, and blueberry extracts to indulge the senses. Its exclusive moisture wrap technology boasts hyaluronic acid and minerals to form a protective film over the lips to lock in moisture and active ingredients. A generous layer of this soothing mask at bedtime helps reduce flakiness, so you wake up to lips that feel refreshed, supple, and soft to the touch. The amount of product you get is 0.10 ounces or 3 grams. Can't wait to try it out tonight. Now we're going to move on to my favorite side, and that's the lipsticks. The first product we're going to swatch is by Charlotte Tilbury. Here's what the packaging looks like. This is her Matte Revolutionary Lipstick. I love the detail on the cap. Here's what the lipstick shade looks like. The shade is called Very Victoria. Very Victoria is described as a taupe nude shade. How pretty is it? Let's see what it looks like applied on the lips. This shade in Very Victoria is gorgeous. I did not expect to like this shade. I really do love it. I do want to read a little bit about this lipstick. A matte lipstick that features a long-lasting, buildable, and hydrating formula. The lipstick features 3D glow pigment that helps appear wider and fuller. The matte formula is enriched with Charlotte's secret ingredient and orchid extract to protect and soothe lips for a cashmere finish. The unique square angle tip mimics the shape of a lip brush for a precise application. This lipstick retails for $34 at Sephora and CharlotteTilbury.com. I definitely think this lip kit is worth purchasing just because of the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. I mean, I purchased it during the Sephora VIB sale, but come on, this lipstick shade is gorgeous. Let's move on to the next lipstick. I did forget to mention to you guys that this is a full-size lipstick. Next lipstick is by Fenty Beauty. I love Fenty Beauty's formula, and I'm super glad that this was included. Here's what the packaging looks like. Ooh, this shade is so pretty, especially for holidays, so that's the amount of product you do get. It's not a lot of product. I do have the full size of this lipstick, and I love this shade. Let's see what it looks like applied on the lips. All of the shades in this collection is truly one swipe pigment. I love this shade in Flamingo Acid. It complements my skin complexion, and it does sit comfortably on the lips. You get 1 gram of product, and a full size retails for $18. I do want to read a little bit about these plush matte lipsticks. It does say an ultra slim lipstick with a long wearing petal soft matte finish, created in a rainbow of weightless, color-intense shades designed to flatter all skin tones. I highly agree with that statement. It says, rep every mood in full-on color. High-octane pigment meets unexpectedly universal shades to complement all moods, all skin tones, all day. Whether you're looking for the perfect red, everyday nude, or moody blue, Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipsticks makes it easier than ever to rock the entire rainbow. I love this formula. It sits so comfortably on my lips. It's not feathering at all, and it does last a pretty long time for a lipstick. Next lip product is by Toothpaste. This lipstick is part of their Peaches and Cream collection. Look how pretty this is. This shade is called Sex on the Peach. You get 1 gram of product or 0.03 ounces. So let's go ahead and swatch this. Ooh, it's so beautiful. I love this mauve shade. Let's see what it looks like applied on the lips. It smells like peaches and cream. I love the scent. This shade is described as a spice mauve shade. Let's read a little bit about what it does say online. A hydrating matte lipstick with intense color infused with peach and sweet fig milk. Achieve a burst of intense matte color, unsurpassed comfort and hydration with this long-wearing, refreshing peach and sweet fig cream infused formula. It's available in 20 shades, comes in reds, pinks, peaches, nudes, and berries. Peach Kiss delivers up to 8 hours of comfortable matte wear with an intense pigment load for saturated color. Plus, each shade smells like peaches and cream and is infused with refreshing peach and sweet fig milk. I highly agree with that statement. It smells so good. It does sit comfortably on the lips and it is extremely pigmented. Let's move on to the last shade in this collection. The last shade in this collection is by Sephora collection. Here we have Sephora's Cream Lip Stain. Let's see what this looks like. This is in the shade Red Velvet. Apply this down here. Ooh, super pigmented. Very creamy. Here's what that shade looks like. Let's see what it looks like applied on the lips. Ooh, super pigmented. You do get 2.5 milliliter of product or 0.08 fluid ounces. I kind of went overboard with overlining my lips a little bit too much, but here is what it looks like. I do love how pigmented this formula is. It's way better than the Sephora holiday collection that they released this year. I did review that as well. I'll leave a link right over here in the cards if you guys are interested. This formula is way different than that collection. This is a gorgeous shade. It's definitely that holiday red shade and I really do enjoy it. I removed the shade in Red Velvet. I currently have on the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in Berry Victoria. Overall, you guys, I really did enjoy everything in this lipstick collection. I love this Laneige Sleeping Mask. I will be trying it again tonight and I will update you guys in the description box down below. I loved both of these lip balms, but I did prefer the Kush lip balm because of the peppermint scent. I did like the fresh one, but I don't see myself reaching for it because I normally do wear a matte liquid lipstick, but I can definitely apply these lip balms underneath my matte liquid lipstick. You guys already know I love this Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in Berry Victoria. I'm currently wearing it right now. I love the formula. I also did really like this Too Faced lipstick in Sex on the Peach. I really did love the smell as well. It smells like peaches. It smells really good, you guys. I just want to eat this up. And the shade does complement my skin complexion as well. I love the Fenty Beauty Plush Matte Lipstick. It does sit comfortably on the lips and it is very opaque. I was super surprised when I did first apply this Cream Lip Stain by Sephora collection. I did not expect it to be super pigmented. It did sit very comfortably on the lips. Again, I did purchase the Sephora Holiday Collection. That set does not compare to this formula. This formula is very lightweight and it is extremely pigmented, and I really did like how it did sit comfortably on the lips. The last item in this lipstick set is this Rollerball Gloss. I'm not a huge fan of this gloss. I don't like glosses in general. I did enjoy glosses back in the day while I was growing up, but this just is not that high shine. I don't really like the formula, the gloss. I didn't like it at all. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.